Hello, my friends. It is time for math, and we are working with our math workbook this week. If you have already done these pages because you worked ahead in your math workbook, please go back and do one of the other video lessons that goes with the district packet that you may have missed, and check to make sure that we have done this work correctly. So today we're only going to work on 2 pages in our math book because they're a little bit more difficult. And the hardest part on here is a new skill that you may or may not know all of your different coin names. So we will start, and I will show you, because I actually went into my wallet and I had one of each. I never have cash on me, let alone exactly what I needed for the lesson. I'd have to go ask anybody for anything. So we have this one. This is the front of the coin, and this is the back of the coin. This is the biggest coin that we have. It is silver and it is big, and this one is the quarter. It means 25 cents. So this one is the quarter. Say that with me, quarter. Now this one is the next biggest coin, but it's not the next biggest amount. So this is what it looks like on the front, and on the back there's the building. This one is a nickel. Say that with me, nickel. And a nickel means 5 cents. The last silver coin is the smallest silver coin. And this is what the front looks like. And the back, I'm going to turn it because it's so small I can't just turn my hand. And this one is a dime. Say that with me, dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So if I put them in order of how much they're worth, I'm going to put 2 in this hand and 1 in this hand. I have 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. So we have nickel, dime, quarter. And the last coin that we have that we talk about in first grade is the one that looks orange. This is a penny. It has Abraham Lincoln on it. Put it right up there so you can see the penny. There's his face. And on the back, there's a different building. It's the Lincoln Memorial Building. So this one is worth 1 cent. Pennies are all over the place, but they are the ones that are like that brownish gold, coppery color. And those are worth 1 cent. So in your math workbook today, we are going to be working on pages 10 and 11. So we're going to start here with page 10. I'm going to give you some directions. If you need to push pause in between so you can work on the work, go ahead. So this one is just practicing adding and subtracting. So you start at the top and you work your way through and you solve the problems. Notice how sometimes they have the plus sign for adding and sometimes they have the minus sign for taking away. So I highly suggest going ahead and circling those signs in the middle so you know what you are doing. So we have 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, and then it's 5 minus 2. So go ahead and take a minute. Make sure you go slow, even if they're super easy problems for you, because you want to make sure, does it say subtracting or adding? If you're going to push pause, now is a great time. On the top, this page has 3 sections. So we're going to start with the first section. This first section here at the top is just like what we were just talking about. It shows all of the coins and it asks you to match and draw a line from the coin to its name. So you're going to have to think, what was that second biggest coin called? And then find the name underneath and match them. Push pause while you work on that. The second section of this page is you're going to count the number of fruits and draw a line to the matching number. So I would count how many strawberries are there and I would decide, is it 5, 8, 7, or 3? And I would draw a line. There should only be 1 line from each row of fruit to a number. Push pause and work on that. All right, last part of the page. You're going to need 2 crayons. Do not use marker. It bleeds through the paper. Crayons or colored pencils. That's it. So you're going to pick however many you want to color in one color and however many you want to color in the other color. Let's say I draw 2 are red and I have 4 that are blue. I'm going to say 2 add the 4 equals how many colors are there. Do the same thing with the butterflies. Color them, some of them one color and some of them another color. Blank add blank equals how many are there. You guys are fabulous, and I will see you again tomorrow for math.